You don't have to make the loops really small at all. So this is the end you work towards. So those you throw down, you get it even. So when you get down to this end here, you're gonna get your loop here. Get your loop like that, and you know, like I said, you can make it and put your loop under.
Hold on, can
Take your loop and go under like this. Don't put it on the top. Put it under, and you can make it a long loop. You can bring it out long. You can bring it as long as you want. I usually make it about this width here, and then start pulling under and into it. Always pull back under. Take your hand and pull back. Pull back. Now you can make this as long as you want. You can make big loops, because if a long cord like this, the bigger the loop might be easier to do. I like mine small, and you just keep pulling back to yourself. And go back to this and pull back, pull back, pull back, and you're just going back through it, just pulling it back through the hole every time. That may seem crazy, but then when you get ready to pull it out, you won't get all that tangled up crap. Just go back. For a long cord, man, it's a breeze. Especially for a thin cord like this, just keep pulling back to itself and under, never go out. Always pull back through it, go back underneath the bottom. If you try to feed over, it's going to mess you up. So just grab that hole, those two wires, and always keep pulling back to yourself. And then once you get to the end there, you can do it however you want to do it to the end. Just leave it, and I'd hang it on the rack from the other end there. And kind of the deal, like if, just so you know where you're at with it. Of course, you get small towards the end, you come back really small there. But how that works, you're just going to grab it. When you get ready to use it, just take it out like this and do this. And then just undo just like that, and you won't have any knots in it. And you're like, oh man, I got screwed up. You just always go back and do the same thing and go back. It comes unraveled.
Thank you for watching the video. Make sure subscribe and leave the like. Leave the message if you have any question or you want me to make another video. Have a great day.